Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by inserting your SIM and powering on the OnePlus Nord. Charge it to at least 20% to avoid interruptions. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network, either 2, 4 or 5 GHz depending on range and speed, so large downloads complete reliably. Then sign in with your Google account and optionally a OnePlus account to enable automatic backups. Once done, make sure location and time are accurate so apps and verification codes sync without errors. You now move your data. Open OnePlus Switch to transfer contacts, messages, photos, and apps. Follow the QR pairing or hotspot method for speed. For audio or hands-free, enable Bluetooth and pair each device by tapping its name and confirming the PIN. Make sure device firmware is up to date to avoid codec issues. If you need files on a PC, connect the USB-C cable and select File Transfer, MTP, from the notification shade so your computer can browse storage without. You finish by installing system and app updates. This fixes many connectivity bugs. Then verify voice calls, SMS, and mobile data. Enable VoLTE LTE if your carrier supports it to improve call quality. Make sure Bluetooth devices reconnect and Wi-Fi auto joins trusted networks. If something still fails, reboot the phone first. If that doesn't help, toggle airplane mode, then reset network settings as a last step. These actions clear cached network states and resolve most stubborn connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.